Sohaila's Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to make chicken quesadilla. It's a very simple, delicious, and easy recipe to make. If you would like to keep on watching, please stick around and I'll be back and show you how to do this step by step. Thank you and see you shortly. results. We have our chicken quesadilla right here. Let's try and see how they are and if they are as good as they look. So number one right here, I have sour cream. I'm gonna add some sour cream, and I have homemade chutney. This is from cranberries. If you want the recipe, please comment below, and I'll have a tutorial on that as well. So you'll try this. A little bit of chutney and sour cream. It's very delicious, full of flavor, and the combination of mushroom, chicken, and cheese makes it very tasty. And the sour cream and chutney makes add more flavor to it. This can make a very good meal if you add a bowl of salad or a bowl of soup. It's great for kids. My kids enjoy this so much. And you can skip the chicken and mushroom, and you can fill it with only cheese. My son really loves that I don't mix vegetables. I just put the cheese for him. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment below and give a thumbs up if you like this recipe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and have a good day. Goodbye.